Meaning of end user.
End user.
End user.
End user.
End user. The term end user is used to refer to the final consumer of a product or service. It refers to the individual or entity that uses a product or service for its intended purpose. End users are the ultimate beneficiaries of a product or service, and their satisfaction is critical to the success of a business. Understanding the needs and preferences of end users is essential for businesses to create products and services that meet their expectations. In short, the end user is the person or organization who ultimately benefits from and uses a product or service.